Hi everyone, so today is Friday evening and I'm gonna take you along for the whole weekend so you kind of can see how we manage things and how we get ready for the week ahead. So today is Friday, 6:30 in the evening. I just got back home from taking my daughter to a swimming lesson and I have a lot of shopping to put away, a lot of groceries from Costco and from another grocery store. So there's a lot of things to get done, so let's get started. So as I started putting my groceries away, my kids were starting to take their baths. That way we could kind of multitask a little bit over here. The bathroom is right off from the kitchen, so I was able to see them as well. And how do you guys put your groceries away? I usually take them out of the bags and put them on the island, and then I put them away. So do you do it the same way, or do you take each bag, empty it out, and then keep on going that way? Let me know in the comments. And for those of you who are new here, my name is Marta and welcome to my channel. The content on my channel is anything to help you with creating your own version of life balance and fulfillment without feeling the mom guilt. So if this is something you are interested in, make sure you click that subscribe button down below. And if you are coming back as a subscriber, welcome back. The hacks that I use to make sure that we always have fresh bread is that I will separate it into Ziploc bags and put them in a freezer. And then I just take them out each morning as we need it to make sure that it stays fresh. And I cleaned up my makeup brushes in the morning, so I wanted to make sure that they are completely dry before I put them away. And as I was tidying up, I was also coordinating with my family members who are coming over for our Christmas Eve as far as who wants to bring what kind of side dish or dessert. And I was also cutting up some of my son's, they call it karate math. So it's basically like some addition and subtractions that they are memorizing. And as they pass them, they get like a next belt in karate. So it's pretty fun, but that's what I was doing so we can practice that over the weekend. Okay, as you saw, it was 8:30, so it is not, I guess, that late, but for me it is late. I usually go to sleep around 9:30. So I am beat. I'm gonna take a shower and then we're gonna read some stories and we're gonna go to bed. So we will typically read 3 books for each of them. And usually my husband is the one who's reading to my son and I'm the one who's reading to my daughter. But he was out of the house that evening, which is why we are reading together on a couch. Okay, now we have moved on to Saturday morning. I already got quite a bit of things done actually. So I think it is almost 7 o'clock. So as you know, I wake up at 4 a.m. every single morning, and Saturdays are a little bit easier because on the weekends I don't work out. So I got up at 4 and I did do my laundry. One of the loads is already finished, so I need to fold that. I did finish editing my video and it's uploading right now for today. So that's not really very great time management on my part, but it's going to be ready for upload later on. I did start putting some bullet points for the video I'm gonna be recording later on in the morning, so I can have a video ready for Tuesday. And let's see, and now I have to get the breakfast ready for the kids because they're gonna be waking up in the next 10 to 15 minutes so they can get ready for their Polish school that they are starting later this morning. And I have to get their lunches ready as well and fold that load of laundry so it doesn't get wrinkled. So let's get it going. Okay, as a little bit of an update, it is now I think 10:20 on Saturday morning. I dropped off the kids to school with my husband, so I just have a couple of hours to do some work. So I just finished filming my video for Tuesday, so I think I'm gonna try to upload that on a computer so I can later edit that. And what I need to accomplish before I go to pick up my daughter is write a list of groceries I need to get from Aldi. Before that, I need to make a meal plan for next week. So Aldi is basically just for like fruits and veggies. Because like you saw yesterday, I got a lot of stuff from Walmart yesterday. So I just need to pick up any produce that I might need for next week. And I also need to stop by at I think 5 and Below because my daughter is having like a Christmas show at her daycare today. And there's gonna be Santa. Now Santa's bringing gifts for the little kids, but not for the bigger ones, so we usually help Santa out. So I have to get that done. And this is Sunday morning. What I was doing is I needed to get ready for my daughter's Christmas show. And one of the things I wanted to do is to clean my jacket from those little like fabric balls that are forming. And I will send this product for free to review it, and it is absolutely amazing. It's working so quick and it is really effective. So if you are looking for something to clean up your clothes, use this is the fabric shaver and lint remover by a company named Fansrock. So I'm gonna link it down below in case you are interested. But as you can see, I used it on 2 items, and there was quite a bit of that lint that had collected in that device. And then I moved on to getting my daughter's clothes ready for the show. I just needed to make some final touches, which was mainly to sew in that green belt onto her dress. So I'm going to end this video over here, which is Monday morning, because yesterday on Sunday we had our daughter's recital and it took us pretty much all day. So after the last clip you saw when I was getting ready for it, once we get back home it was like 6:30. So it was time to put the kids to bed and just kind of relax for a few minutes before the week started. So this was not our typical weekend. I did no cleaning, except just organizing stuff from like the kitchen island that you saw, but there was no actual cleaning being done, there was no meal prep being done, and that's okay. That's what the life balance we talk about is all about. Not every day is going to be the same, not every weekend is going to be the same. Just do what works for you, because I'm not gonna make myself clean after I just came back from a very busy weekend. It's just weekend for activities. And next weekend is the weekend right before Christmas, and I know I'm gonna have to do a lot of cleaning anyway, so it's just gonna get postponed. It's okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.